Delhi, a city that never sleeps, but on the evening of November 10th, something happened that jolted every citizen awake. A car suddenly exploded near the historic Red Fort. Yes, right next to the one of the India's most secure and crowded zones. 8 people lost their lives and dozens were injured. And now the big question everyone's asking, how could something like this happen right in the heart of our capital? Let's break down what exactly went down, what the investigation says so far, and what this means for our safety and mind. It was just another busy Monday evening, traffic jam, honking, tourists heading home, and around 6:52 p.m., a white Hyundai i20 stopped at a traffic light near the Red Fort metro station. Seconds later, it was boom. A massive explosion tore through the car, and people nearby thought it was a gas cylinder blast at first. But when flames spread to other vehicles like autos, bikes, even parked cars, everyone knew this wasn't normal. By the time fire tenders reached the spot, the car was already unrecognizable. 8 people were dead and over 19 were injured. Delhi's evening turned into a nightmare within seconds. Within minutes, police, fire teams, and ambulance, everyone rushed to the site. The area around Red Fort was sealed off. CCTV footage from the metro station, nearby shops, and even traffic cameras were pulled instantly. Investigators started digging into who owned the car, and guess what? It had changed hands multiple times, and that raised the eyebrows. Was it sold recently? Did someone buy it under a fake name? Delhi police confirmed they have invoked the UAPA, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, which basically means this isn't just an accident, it's being treated as a possible terror fraud. Now, officially, no group has claimed the responsibility, but here is what interesting. The NIA, National Investigation Agency, and Energy Commandos are both involved. That usually happens only when there's a suspected terror link. They are checking if the explosives used was military grade or something homemade. A few sources say traces of ammonium nitrate might have been found, but that's still under lab testing. Right now, investigators are chasing every lead: who last drove that car, who it was sold to, and where the explosives have come from. And now you might think Delhi is a big city, accidents do happen, but this one is totally different. This blast didn't happen in some isolated street. It happened next to the world famous monument in a high security zone under CCTV surveillance. If someone could pull this off here, that means they either found a major loophole in city security, or we are looking at a well planned act that used everyday chaos as cover. Think about it: tourists, school kids, shopkeepers, daily commuters, anyone could have been there. And that's why this blast hit not just physically but emotionally. It shaken people's sense of safety. And since the blast, security across Delhi has gone through the roof. Checkposts are active on Delhi, Noida, and Delhi Ghaziabad borders. Police have ramped up checks on vehicles, especially those with tinted windows or missing number plates. Heritage spots and metro stations now have extra patrolling. And the government has made it clear whoever is behind this will not be spared. But until arrests are made, people are still uneasy. Social media is full of fake stories, which honestly just make things worse. If you're watching this from Delhi, avoid sharing unverified clips, it only spreads fear. And this isn't about just one blast. It's a reminder that in today's world, public security is everyone's responsibility. And if you see an abandoned bag, a suspicious car, or someone acting oddly, don't ignore it, report it. Delhi is full of people, tourists, vehicles, and that means every small alert counts. Because when safety cracks even for a moment, tragedy strikes in a second. So that's what we know right now about the Red Fort car explosion. The investigation is still on, but one thing is clear: India's security system needs constant upgrades, and as citizens, we have got to stay alert. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.